Hello high flyers! In this video we're gonna cover how to construct inscribed circle and circumcircle. The incenter of a triangle is the point at which the angle bisectors intersect. The incenter is the center of the inscribed circle of that triangle. To find the incenter of this triangle, we need to bisect all of these angles. Take your compass and put the point at one vertex. Mark up a little arc on the first side and then also down on the second side. Those two arcs on the same distance from the vertex. Put the point of your compass where the arc intersects the side. Draw an arc in the interior. Do the same on the other side. Pick it up, put it on the other point of intersection and do the same. You will notice that we have an X in the interior of the angle. Connect the vertex with the point of intersection of the two axes. That will be the bisector. We have drawn here the bisector of the angle. Now let's bisect the other angle in the same way. I want to insert a comment here because notice that after just constructing two angle bisectors, we actually have the point of intersection. You can go ahead and construct the third angle bisector if you want to. But having the point of intersection from the two is sufficient. I have constructed each of the angle bisectors in different colors so that you can see the construction marks. This point here is the incenter. The reason it's called the incenter is because it is the center of a circle that is inscribed in triangle. Now the problem is we can just take the compass and put the center here and just kind of eye it. We can say this looks kind of like the radius. We can say that because that would not be a construction. So what we have to do is we have to construct the radius, which is the perpendicular segment from the incenter to one of the sides. To construct the perpendicular segment from the incenter to one of the sides, we need to take our compass and mark off two arcs, putting on both of these points of intersection. And that intersection of those two arcs along with the point will give us a perpendicular segment. So let's draw the perpendicular segment. I'm just going to make this dotted below because I'm not really interested in the whole perpendicular segment. I'm really interested in this much from the incenter to the edge because that's the perpendicular part. I will give you the radius. To finish the circle, take your compass, put the center at the incenter, adjust the compass so that it measures the length of the radius and draw your circle. The circle that you have just drawn is called the incircle because it is inscribed in that triangle. Now the final comment, the incenter will always be in the interior of the triangle. To find the center of the circle that is circumscribed above this triangle, we are going to construct the perpendicular bisector of two of the sides and see where they intersect. The circumcenter of a triangle is the point where the perpendicular bisectors of each of the triangle intersect. It can be in the interior or the exterior of the triangle. Put the point of the compass on one of the vertex. Open the compass so that it is more than halfway to the other vertex. Make an arc above and rotate the compass. Make an arc below. Then you're going to pick up your compass, move it over the other vertex. Make an arc below, come up. Make an arc above. All you have to do, take your ruler, draw the point of intersection of those two lines. That will give you the perpendicular bisector. Now we will draw the perpendicular bisector of the other side of this triangle. This point right here is the circumcircle of our circumscribed circle. The third side here also would have a perpendicular bisector, but we don't need to construct that to get the circumcenter. If you want to do the third one to just verify that your circumcenter is in the correct place, you certainly can. But 2 is sufficient. To construct the circle now, take your compass, put the point at the circumcenter, open the compass out to measure the distance to one of the vertices. Now draw your circle. You will see that all 3 vertices lie on the circle. We see that our circle is circumscribed above the triangle. I want you to notice on this one because it's an obtuse triangle. This circumcircle is actually outside the triangle. Let's see what the circumscribed circle looks like. If you have an obtuse triangle, just keep in mind that you were looking for the circumcenter to be outside in the exterior of the triangle. That's all for today. See you in my next video.